Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Anthony Log. VM Investments Limited today listed its most recent bond offer on the Jamaica Stock Exchange. The bond offer, which opened in late 2024, closed in January with applications exceeding $6.6 billion. This resulted in an oversubscription of 1.2 billion Jamaican dollars.
So it's good that we could be here today to participate in the listing of not one, not two, but 3 tranches of bonds on the JC bond market. And we are excited to have VMIL, which is a listed company, and a company that is performing well in terms of corporate governance and all that. So having you come back, it is good for us because it sends a signal to the market that this is a home for securities.
The company says the proceeds from the offer will be instrumental in advancing its strategic objectives. These include refinancing existing debt, bolstering its support for SMEs by addressing their capital needs, offering short-term bridge financing backed by securities.
Institutions need liquidity, they need capital, they need scenario planning. And I know, and we all know, that the next couple of years are going to be very challenging for the local economy. And my encouragement to all principals is use the JC as a means to raise capital. In this time, there can't be excess capital.
The much talked about Special Economic Zone SEZ at Caymanas in St. Catherine is one step closer to completion. Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness gave an update today.
The tender process for the first phase of the land preparation is finalized, and all required approvals are in place. Groundbreaking is scheduled for the first quarter of this fiscal year. So I would say that in another 2 months, we should be able to break ground on the site. The site is being prepared to mitigate against climate change risks such as flooding, and will be equipped with modern infrastructure, utilities.
Dr. Holness adds that there will be a direct link from the site to the Port of Kingston by rehabilitating a pre-existing rail line.
This port expansion is a stepping stone towards logistic-led infrastructure and industrial development in the region. It is about positioning Jamaica as a regional hub for warehousing, distribution, e-commerce fulfillment, contract manufacturing, and supply chains analytics.
The Prime Minister was speaking earlier today at the opening ceremony of Outsource to Jamaica. It's hosted by the Global Services Association of Jamaica. The JSE index declined by 1,489 points, while the junior market index declined by 16 points. 45 shares advanced, including KLE Group, Epley 7.25% preference shares, Caribbean Assurance Brokers, JMMB Group 9.5%, and 138 Student Living Jamaica Variable Preference shares. The 44 declining shares were led by Caribbean Cream, Cygnus Real Estate Financial, Pulse Investments, Image Plus Consultants, and First Rock Real Estate Investments, 18 stocks traded firm. The Bank of Jamaica intervened in the foreign exchange market again today with another US $30 million. This means the central bank has pumped $60 million in the foreign exchange market over the last 2 days. Trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $158.46. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $112.25. The pound is going for $204.21, while the euro is selling for an average $176.94. And that's the Business Day. I'm Anthony Log. News from overseas after the break.